Use these two brushes. So hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Priyanka and today I'm going to do a video on eyeshadow. The eyeshadow palette I'm going to use for this video is Huda Beauty Love Fest Obsessions. Let me just show you the lovely colors of this eyeshadow palette. You can see there are some solid colors in this palette and you also have some of the shimmer shades. So without wasting any time, let's get started. I'm going to use these two brushes. So this one is from Sugar. It's very affordable one. So I generally use the flat head of this brush, and for blending I use the Sigma E25 brush. The first step is to prepare our eyes. So I'm going to use eye cream again from Sugar. You can use any eye cream. Let's just apply it under our eye area as well as on the eyelids and massage it gently. Second, I'm going to use a primer. And again, I'm taking this much of quantity in my finger. I'm going to rub it. You can use your finger itself to apply all these setting products. Now, if you're going to conceal your eyes, then this is the right time to use a concealer. You can apply concealer like this, and to blend you can use your finger, brush, sponge, whatever you're comfortable with. So let's start with the base coat, and I'm going to use this more of a neutral shade to set a base. Tap it like this to get rid of the excess powder on your brush. And overall, just spread it on your eyelid. Now what I'm going to do is, I'm going to use this flat head and I'm going to take this shade. We don't have to blend it, you just have to leave the shade here for a while. Just do it in the corner. And now I'm going to use this shade for my crease. Again, I'm taking on the flat head, tapping it, and right now I'm just spreading it into the crease. Not above, not below, just into the crease. Go slow, go gentle. This section of our eyelid area we are leaving for the shimmer shades because it really gets highlighted when you put shimmer in those areas. So let's just leave it for now. That we will do in the end. Right now what we are going to do is, we are going to take our blending brush, just clean it with cotton pad, and what you do is you start blending from here. It starts blending with your base coat, which gives it a very nice finish. You just try to blend your crease and your base coat somewhat together. So when you're doing this, both of them are getting into the shape. At the end, we'll make it more dark and see how it looks. Let's apply our shimmer shade. I'm going to use this one. And use your flathead brush again. Just take shimmer like this. And here you go. Now what you can do is take any white shadow. I don't have in this palette, so I don't know, this is a very old one. And use any white shade or a neutral shade for your brow area. So I'm just going to take it on my finger and apply in the corner like this. Let's try making the ends a bit more dark, and we can definitely go for a darker shade. So you can also go for a shade like this, which is proper brown chocolate color. Take your flat hand brush, pack it here. And like this you can make the outer corner dark. Let's do it on the second eye. So you can do something like this for eyeshadow. Last but not the least, you take your concealer and draw a line this side, draw a line this side, and slowly blend it. Push it like this down. Tantana. Yeah, I hope you're ready and let's go party. Yeah, so that's it guys. I hope you find this video useful for your eyeshadow look. Please subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Hit the like button, leave the comments if you want, and I hope to see you soon. Thank you. Bye bye.